Hey everyone, it's Janet here today. I hope you guys are doing well. I'm doing my brunch series again, and this is all about casual virtual brunch looks. I'm sure all of us have friends that are in different states and all around the world, and it's always hard to find a time and place to physically meet together, so I thought, why not put together a couple of casual, easy, laid-back looks for a virtual brunch. So I started with this really cute button down tank top. It's got this cool like textured fabric, and I paired it with, I grabbed, as you guys have seen, these Zara pants before. These are these Zara cool drawstring pants, and I thought it was just like something low-key, easy, casual, at-home virtual brunch outfit. So this waffle texture top with this blue drawstring pants from Zara is a really cool and casual, easy to throw on virtual brunch look, because sometimes when you're getting ready for brunch and prepping all the food, you probably don't have a whole lot of time to put together a look. So something, if you wanted to do something really simple, just a cool little tank top like this with the buttons, and these drawstring pants are a great look for virtual brunch. So that was look number one. For look number two, I grabbed this Billabong black and white printed top. It's a little oversized. It's super casual. It's just, I love the high-low and oversized feel, because when you're in a rush and you're cooking and you're trying to prep all this food, you just want to grab something kind of cool and different and easy enough, and this was one of the pieces that I grabbed. It's got the high-lows, the button down's a little oversized, so you could tie it up or tuck it in. And so I use this one with the blue drawstring pants, again from Zara. So again, it's casual, easy to throw on, and quick and easy. So that was look number two, was the Billabong top and these drawstring pants from Zara. So this is look number two. Look number three, again, I'm all about things that are easy and effortless and just easy to throw on and quick. So you don't have to spend a lot of time deciding. Dresses like this linen. This one's Cosmo, made in Italy. It's super cute. It's got this this elastic sort of like textured style at the back, and it buttons at the top. And so literally just throw it on and show up for brunch virtually on Zoom. So a linen dress is always a great, like, versatile piece that you can go grab from any kind of look. So this was look number three, was the linen dress for brunch. So look number four, if you wanted to add a little bit of color and a little bit of fun, very subtle and very simple again, I grabbed this cutout orange jumpsuit. It ties in the back, so it's super cute, and it's got this little elastic, so a little bit stretch, and again it's got this linen sort of feel. So again, it's very light and easy, especially if you're at home. You probably got the heat on, so a jumpsuit like this is super fun. It's got a little bit of color, it's a little bit funky with the cutouts. So look number four is a jumpsuit, orange jumpsuit, and this one is from Skylar Madison. So it's really cute. Again, it's got the adjustable straps as well, and it ties in the back. So lots of different ways to style this jumpsuit. Look number five, I grabbed, so for depending on what kind of cooking you're doing at home for brunch, for this virtual brunch date with your friends, some of you might just be wearing a simple tank top because you're cooking, you're baking, you're making deviled eggs or cupcakes, and you probably don't want to get all your nice clothes dirty. So some of you guys may be just wearing a simple like white t-shirt or white tank top. So I just grabbed this white tank top from Gap, and I thought it'd be cool with the white drawstring pants, again from Zara. Again, casual, easy, and simple. So I hope you guys enjoyed this little tutorial on virtual brunch date outfits, virtual brunch outfits with your friends, and hit me up in the comments, and I'll talk to you guys soon.